Hello and welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be melting and pouring some wax basically to make some little decorational wax candles, I guess. Now I know this video isn't exactly scientific, but I'm creating a playlist as well of sort of random craft videos that are kind of a little bit sciencey. Shows you a bit what's going on, but they're going to be sort of more crafts and stuff you can do at home and more random stuff. But this is still going to be mainly a scientific channel. So to start with, let's turn on the gas burner. Okay, it's just burning off a little bit of the excess from the aluminium melting video, which I'll put a link down in the description. So we just want to turn it to the minimum amount of gas. It will still be on fire. There we go. And put on our little plate. Cool. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put one of the candles on. Turn up the gas a bit. Just make sure that it was actually on. And I will come back to you once it's melted. Here's a quick little clip of some of them in different stages through melting. Pretty cool little waxy icebergs. Okay, now as you can see, they've all been poured. Some penguins, some fruits. There's a little test one there that I'm having to go at something different with. This one, sorry, I stirred up the red. And this one I tried to swish the red before it melted to see what it will do. So I'll wait till these are set. As you can see, that one there is actually is pretty set in itself. So it's kind of, oh, it's bleeding. The penguin is bleeding. But I'll come back to you once they're set, and we'll pop them out of the mould. Right, so I've just taken out the first of the penguins. The rest aren't quite ready to come out yet. The food colouring one kind of looks like there's been a brutal murder, I have to say. There is a lot of red seeped out the bottom, didn't actually mix with the wax. He has a great big cavity in his chest, which looks really gruesome actually. So that test proves that food colouring does not mix with wax properly. At least not the way that I did it. Which means that this one over here as well will also look like a murder scene. So we'll have to see, and I'll update you when I take them out. As I suspected, this one has also seen some pretty horrifying scenes, and looks quite gruesome. Quite cool. I quite like the look of them actually, but obviously they're not usable. So he can rest in peace there with his penguin friend. But we did take out the first of the proper penguins, and he's looking alright. For the first one poured, I was getting my technique properly. They came out a little rough on the edges, but he's come out rather well. So I'll take the rest of them out, and you can get a shot of all of them together. Looks like we've had another casualty of one that I tried to take out too early. He's missing a head, or she. So not usable again. But that's fine. Here are all the penguins we've ended up with. 4 of them. Lovely penguins, lovely animals. That one there's got a little hole in him. But that will be fine for the purpose we want. I'm just zooming in so I can move one across. There we go. So there's the 4 penguins. So I've now taken the fruits out. The mould for the fruits was unfortunately, it wasn't as bendy as the penguins, wasn't as flexible. So a couple of them did crack. So we've got the apple, the cracked pineapple, strawberry, orange slice, and my apple candle, which turned out probably the best one of today. Ooh, well, would have done if I didn't just break it. That looks quite good, so I'll be able to test that and show you that in a second. So now what we're going to do is, if I move everything over, it's a bit of a mess. I've spilt kind of wax everywhere, but I'll tidy that up. We will keep one of the penguins to the side, because I want to show that to someone later. But we're going to put... Can't even pick them up in this glove. Hold on, let me switch hands with the camera. I'm going to pick up our penguins, put them on the tray. The other ones. Pick up our fruit. We'll call them fruit pieces for some of them. And keep the apple there. Okay. Like so. Nice. Now what we're going to do is... Sorry about the questionable... Oh, there we go, didn't mean to put that in front. Questionable camera work today. I couldn't get any sort of tripod or anything set up for this video because I've been moving around quite a lot. So it was kind of annoying to hold a camera and do all of this, because that means I've only got one hand, and that's in a great big thick fireproof glove. But without further ado, here we go. I haven't locked it. There we go. That might help, mightn't it? Lock. Turn it on. And now we get to see them melt. Oh, they're sliding. Ooh, some very nice smells. Kind of burning smell there. Let me turn that down. Just like that. Let me turn this off. All of our fruits and penguins are gone. Pretty funny, I like that actually. Right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to move this out of the way. Now it's very hot, so bear with me here. Ow, ow, ow. There we go. Okay, that's moved. Now what we can do, if I get this camera more stable, is we're going to grab our apple back over. I'm going to turn this on a titch to the minimum amount that it can be, and all I want to do is set this alight. Look at that. We have made a literal apple candle. It's gone out, but you saw it. There we go. That was really cool. I like that. Pretty funny. Right, so that's the apple candle that we made. And here is, well, the remnants of everything else we made. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video around. It really helps me get views and watch time, and I know that you guys are liking the videos and enjoying them, and it helps me to make more of them and to keep everything up, and know that sort of the money that I'm spending on everything has been worth it for your entertainment and, you know, learning a bit of knowledge. But again, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.